By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add links in MailerLite to make your email campaigns more engaging, interactive, and useful for your subscribers. Links are the backbone of email marketing. They turn a simple message into a path for your readers to take action, whether that's visiting your website, grabbing a free download, or signing up for a webinar. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's begin at the very beginning. Open your preferred browser, head over to MailerLite and click the login button. Enter your email address and password, then hit enter. You'll land on your MailerLite dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all your subscribers, forms, and campaigns. Take a moment to orient yourself. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your recent activity, subscriber growth, and any campaigns that are scheduled or draft. Now let's move into the campaigns section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all your email campaigns, drafts, sent, and scheduled. Scroll through your existing campaigns and locate the one you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Continue Editing. This action opens the campaign in its editing view, where you can make changes to the subject line, sender details, and the email body itself. Next, we need to open the email editor. Look for the Edit Content button and click it. The drag and drop editor will load after a brief moment. It's a visual interface that lets you build your email by moving elements around. Review the current layout of your email. Notice where your text, images, and buttons already sit. Now locate the specific text, image, or element where you want to add a link. It could be a call to action button, a product image, or a paragraph of text. This is where your link will live, so choose something that naturally guides the reader's eye. Time to select the content you want to link. Click on the text block that contains the words you want to turn into a hyperlink. A selection cursor will appear inside the text. Now use your mouse to highlight exactly the words that should become clickable. For example, download our free guide or learn more. Once highlighted, you'll see a formatting toolbar pop up directly above or near your selected text. This toolbar gives you options for bold, italic, alignment, and, crucially, the link icon. A quick pro tip here, always use meaningful descriptive text for your links. Instead of click here, write something like get your free checklist. This not only improves accessibility for screen readers, but also tells subscribers exactly what they'll find when they click, boosting trust and click-through rates. Now let's insert the link. Click that link icon in the toolbar. A small drop-down menu will appear. Select Insert Link. A dialog box will open asking for the URL. Paste or type the full web address you want to link to, including the https:// part. Double check that the URL is accurate. A typo here can send readers to a broken page, which damages credibility. Once you're satisfied, click the Insert button. You'll immediately see that your selected text is now highlighted in a different color and often underlined, signaling it's a hyperlink. If you ever need to edit or remove the link, you can click it again and choose the appropriate option from the toolbar. After inserting your link, take a moment to review the linked content. Read through the surrounding text to make sure the wording is clear and natural. Confirm the link is attached to the correct text. There's nothing worse than accidentally linking the wrong phrase. If something feels off, you can highlight the text again and either edit the URL or remove the link entirely. It's a small but vital quality check that prevents frustrating errors before your campaign goes live. Finally, let's save your changes. Continue scrolling through your email content to verify that all your links have been added correctly. Check every button, every image, and every piece of linked text. When you're confident everything is in order, click the Done Editing button in the upper right corner of the editor. MailerLite will automatically save your changes. You'll see a brief loading icon or confirmation message. Your draft is now updated and ready to be sent or scheduled. You've just successfully added links in MailerLite to make your email more interactive and valuable for subscribers. With links, you control where your readers go next, guiding them toward engagement, conversions, and deeper connection with your brand. As a next step, consider adding a few more links, maybe to your social media profiles, a recent blog post, or a product page. Then test your email by sending a preview to yourself before hitting send. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark the timestamp. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.